Max. Max. Wee. Wee. Want to see my feathers, Mom? On my neck. See them? Oh, but my tummy's full, my crop's full, so you can't see them now. I got green feathers and I got orange feathers. And I'm just hanging out on the pillows because I'm big. There we are. You can see the green ones there on the side of her neck. The new green ones just above the orange ones. Max? Maxi? Maxi, come here. Maxi? Maxi? Come here. Come here. Oh, Maxi's got new feathers. Maxi's got new feathers. Oh, scratch, scratch. Oh, love, 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 love. Oh, we're just waiting for Aiden to come home, Mummy. Oh, oh. Love, love, love. Big love for Maxi.